Good morning to all of you. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Slides are visible to you. This
Yes,
PDF is visible.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So let me start with the problem. Yesterday I was discussing about the Kalman test. So in that Kalman test, I was discussing about controllability and observability. So we went through the formula, and controllability formula was QC. Okay. Okay. So QC was okay, QC and QO, observability. So QC was what? Controllability was what? B. Okay. Then we have AB, A square B, and then we have dot 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 A to the power n minus 1 into B. So that was the matrix for controllability, and observability matrix was C, CA, CA square dot dot CA to the power n minus 1. Same set n minus 1. So I was supposed to check the rank of the matrix. If the rank of the matrix is equal to n, then that system will be controllable, and this rank of the matrix will be the rank of the matrix of QO is equal to n, then that is called system is called observable. So I was discussing about this problem. Already I have discussed that problem. Okay. So let me start with another problem. Okay. I hope. So you can see this problem, which is given x is equal to 0, 1, minus 20 and minus 9 into x plus 0, 1 u, and y is equal to 1, 0 x. So this is the matrix of A, and this is the matrix for B. Okay. And this is the matrix for C, and D equal to 0. Okay. So what is the dimension of A matrix? A matrix is, please mute yourself. Okay. Please mute yourself. Aditya Patel. Okay. So let's see this. So we have A is the dimension of n cross n, and having n equal to 2. So we'll have n equal to 2, and A is the matrix, this one B, and so we can find AB for controllability, and A square B. Okay, because n equal to n equal to 2 here. So do we need to find A square B, or only AB is sufficient? No need to find a square b. Okay, only a and ab is sufficient, because we have a controllability formula. QC is equal to b ab and a square b. Okay, dot 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 up to a to the power n minus 1 into b. So here n is basically 2. So if you substitute n equal to 2, you will limit with the QC is equal to b and ab. Okay, not a square b. So no need to find this a square b. Okay, you just consider a and ab and try to substitute in the matrix, and get the QC value. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. This is 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. So QC will be, this is 0, 1 and 1 minus 9. So try to find again. Okay, try to find the determinant. So you will get the determinant QC. Determinant will be what is the determinant of this matrix? So this is minus 9 into 0 is 0, and minus of 1 into 1, which is equal to minus 1. So if you're getting this, 1 minute, sorry. Okay, so if you're getting minus 1, that means determinant is not equal to QC determinant is not equal, sorry, QC determinant is not equal to 0. So you can say the rank of the matrix is rank is equal to rank of the matrix is equal to 2 only. So which is equal to n, that means the system is controllable. Now if you move to the observability, you just try to find C and CA, and we have already C matrix which is given in the problem, and CA we have C and we have A matrix. Just try to multiply these two. Okay, and you will get CA. You do not need to find CA square. Okay, no need to find CA square, and just try to substitute in a observability matrix. See, this is the student notes. So they have done this like this, but this is wrong. Okay, this is 2 cross 2 matrix. You will get. Now try to find the QO determinant. So we'll get determinant as 1, and this is again not equal to n value. So you can say, sorry, QO is not equal to 0, and Q determinant of QO is 1, which is not equal to n. So you can say this system is observable. Okay, this system is variable, and that was controllable also. So you can say according to Kalman test, you can write here the statement according to Kalman test, the above system is controllable and observable. Controllable and observable. Okay, so you can say you can just find the determinant, and if the determinant is not equal to n, then that system will be controllable and observable. Okay, particular determine the rank of that matrix. Okay, so rank is not equal to n. Okay, rank, basically you're just checking not equal to n means rank is not equal to n. You just take rank. This rank is, sorry, rank is equal to n. Rank is equal to n, not equal to n. Rank is equal to n. Okay, so rank is equal to n, so this system will be observable. Okay, no need to find the determinant equal to n or not equal to n. Just check the determinant is equal to 0 or not equal to 0. If this is not equal to 0, then the rank will be as it is, which is of 2 cross 2, that is n equal to 2 here. Okay, here also this is basically not equal to 0, so we are just checking the rank, which is equal to 2, and rank is equal to n, which is equal to n, and that we can say the system is observable and controllable. Now the problem which is given here, this is not for controllable, this is just for find the zero input response and zero state response. So we have the problem which is given here: x dot is equal to 0 1 minus 2 1 minus 1, and x, and 0 1 which is given. So A matrix is given this one, and B matrix is this one. This is the equation, is called a state model equation. Okay, okay, so now you can see here it is given as the initial condition: x1 of 0 is equal to 1 and x2 of 0 is equal to 0. So you can write x of 0 matrix can be written in terms of this one. So x1 of 0, x1 of 0, and x2 of 0. Okay, so this matrix can be rewritten, and this matrix can be written as 1 and 0. Okay, with the u of t is equal to 1. Okay, for t greater than 0. So to have a zero input response, we have already x of t formula. So using the x of t formula, we can find Laplace inverse of phi of s into x of 0. Okay, that formula we have derived. Okay, already we have derived the formula. You can find zero input response. So phi of s can be written as Laplace inverse of phi of s is equal to si minus a inverse, and phi of t is equal to Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. So we just try to find si minus a, and we'll take the inverse of that. So S minus A is nothing but we just subtract the diagonal element with the S. So S minus 0 is S. S minus of minus 1 will be S plus 1, and all this element will multiply to the minus sign because it is a minus A. So this element will be minus 1 and this element will be plus 2. So that's what it is written. Just try to take the Si minus A inverse, Si minus A inverse, whatever you have the knowledge of inverse to find. So you can go through this. Okay, so that will be the determinant of this matrix. So this can be written s into s plus 1. So this will be s square plus s square plus s, and minus of minus 2 will be plus 2, s square plus s plus 2, and we'll have adjoint matrix. So we can have the adjoint matrix. So shortcut method for 2 cross 2, we know we can just interchange these two, and this will be multiplied with the minus sign. So just take s plus 1 here. Okay, s plus 1 and s here. I just multiplied with the minus sign here, so this will be plus 1 and this will be minus 2. Okay, so this is the inverse matrix, and try to substitute this inverse into this and multiply with the x of 0 matrix, and then you can find the inverse of that. Okay, so we have this matrix. Okay, we have this one, the same which is provided here. Okay, the same, you can see 1 by s square plus s plus 2, 1 by s square plus s plus 2, s plus 1 1 minus 2 and s. So you can have this putting into the equation number 1. So Laplace inverse of this, that will be the zero input response, and just multiply these two matrix and you will get this kind of thing. So s plus 1 will be multiplied to the 1 will multiply to the 0, and that will add directly here. So this will get s plus 1, and minus 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 2, and plus s into 0, so that will be minus 2 only. So again you take just divide s plus 1 divided by s square plus s plus 2, and take the partial fraction of that, and try to find the Laplace inverse. Okay, so just take Laplace, just take okay, so a by something, you can write, see this is this is fractional or not. So if this is in fraction, you just try to write. Otherwise, if this is not in fraction, so go to the sign and okay, sign terms. Okay. So already we have the equation in terms of maybe x divided by or maybe s plus a divided by s plus a whole square. Okay, plus b square. Already we know. So using this, we can find or maybe in terms of s plus a whole square minus b square. Okay. So try to take this in terms of the standard Laplace inverse Laplace transform form, and try to solve. So I'll take this in a standard form and try to discuss whether this one we are getting or not. This is correct or not. Okay. So let me check. Let me revise this. Okay. So I'll try to take here in an inverse form. This can be rewritten as s plus a, okay, divided by. So see right here s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole square. Okay, s plus 1 whole square is nothing but s square plus 2s plus s square plus okay, s square plus 2s plus 1. So s square plus 2s plus 1. So we are getting or not? Let me check. Okay. So we're not getting this standard form because we have 2s is not there. So we cannot take 2s here. So we just take we again change this, and we'll try to write in the form of this. So try to take the denominator and try to write in a standard a plus b whole square form. So this can be written as 2 into 1 by 2s. Okay. And we can write 1 by 2 whole square. Can we write? This will be rewritten from s plus 1 by 2 whole square. This can be rewritten in the form of 1 by s plus 1 by 2 whole square. So we can write here easily, but this is not complete in the denominator. Just try to check s square is matched. So s square is matched, and s is also matched here. 2 is cancelled and s is matched. But here 2 we have 2 here, and here we are getting 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 we just take plus 2 and minus 1 by 4. So what we'll write here? You will write here 4 to say 8, 8 minus 1 divided by 4. That can be written as 7 by 4. So we can write here plus root under 7 by root under 7 by 2 ka whole square. Okay. So this is the thing we are getting s plus a ka whole square. Okay. S plus s square plus a square in the form. And this s is nothing but s plus a. So we can write s plus half. Okay. S plus half plus half. Okay. So here s plus 1 is there. So we just split it and we got this one. Now we will split this term and we'll try to write s plus half divided by s plus half whole square. Okay. Plus root under 7 by 2 whole square. Okay. And we just split 1 by 2 divided by this term again, 1 by 2 ka whole square. Okay. 1 by 2 whole square plus root under 7 by 2 ka whole square. Okay. I hope this is correct to you. Okay. I hope till now it is correct. ठीक है. Now let me check whether how we can find this is in the standard form. This is in the standard form. Okay, sorry, this one is the standard form of s plus a divided by s plus a whole square. Okay, plus b square form. So if we take Laplace inverse of this, we'll have e to the power minus at, e to the power minus at. Okay, then we can just write we can just write okay, so 1 by a. Okay, 1 by a, and then we can sin 80. Okay, sin 80 in the form. So this is the form which we are getting, or otherwise you can write e to the power minus 80 sin 80 by a. Okay, so this is the standard form. You can go through this, and already you all have studied in the network theory. Okay, in the Laplace chapter, or Laplace which is present in the some third unit or fourth unit. So you can go through this and try to find in the form. So we are getting e to the power minus half okay, half t. It is written as t. Okay, it is wrong. It is minus half t. Okay. Okay, a is equal to, am I right? Okay, e to the power minus half t, because a is equal to half, so it is a minus half t, and 1 by a is nothing but a is here root 7 by 2. Sorry. So it is b, not a. Here b is there, so you just write b here, 1 by b. Okay, b. I'm sorry. So this should, you write 1 by b. 1 by b is 1 by root 7 by 2. That can be 2 by root 7, and this can be sine bt. So b is root 7 by 2 again. So this is complete for this this one. Okay. So just try to write this, and after that I'll try to write for this one. So 1 by 2 just take outside. Okay. And what will happen? This is in the form of 1 by. This is in the form of okay, this is in the form of 1 by s plus a whole square. Okay, 1 by s plus a whole square plus b square. So Laplace inverse of this will be, Laplace inverse of this can be written as 1 by b sine bt. Okay, we can just write some 1 by b sine bt. Okay, and we'll try to see. Okay, this is correct or not. Okay, so just take 1 by 2 root 1 by 2 2 by root 7. Okay, sine root under 7 by 2 t. Okay, so this is in the form. Okay, this is in the form. So just try to check. Okay, I hope I am correct. Okay, or maybe s plus a
करेक्ट
is
नहीं है
written. हाँ, विजिबल नहीं है
ये एस प्लस 1/2 नहीं सर, एस प्लस 1/2 अपन एस प्लस 1/2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस √2/7 का होल, इसका मतलब ये इनवर्स लाप्लास
स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है
सर, ये
यू
सही
आर नॉट
नहीं है, यहाँ
ऑडिबल
पे सर कास होना चाहिए, कास रूट।
ओके प्लस वाला कॉस होता है ना वही थोड़ा मुझे डाउट लग रहा था यहाँ पे
यस सर,
कि हाँ दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एस प्लस ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में है ना तो ये तुम्हारा कॉस के टर्म में होना चाहिए मुझे भी ये डाउट लग रहा है ठीक है ये गलत है ये कॉस होना
ये
चाहिए सही सही बात है ये माइनस साइन पे
टू बाई
माइनस
रूट
पे होता है
सेवन भी
ये
नहीं रहना चाहिए।
जी जी ये बिल्कुल करेक्ट है ये माइनस साइन पे साइन होता है ये करेक्ट ये रॉन्ग है दिस शुड बी कॉस ओके दिस शुड बी कॉस सो दिस शुड बी कॉस ओके दिस शुड बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉस ओके ये रॉन्ग है ये मुझे भी लग रहा था यहाँ पे गलत है ठीक है सो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज आस्किंग कि ये सही है गलत है दिस इज सो यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस यू जस्ट ट्राई टू
टू
फाइंड द
अपॉन रूट
इनवर्स
सेवन भी
ओके
नहीं रहेगा आगे।
हाँ क्या नहीं रहेगा 2/√7 2/√7 नहीं रहेगा
2/√7 भी नहीं रहेगा इसके आगे।
लेट मी चेक लेट मी करेक्ट ओके ठीक है एक मिनट let me correct this okay so we have this one we just write this 1 by 2 okay sorry minus 1 by 2 sorry plus 1 by 2 okay so plus 1 चाहिए so just split this 1 by s plus half divided by s plus half whole square okay plus √7 by 2 का whole square okay and plus 1 by 2 divided by s plus half okay का whole square into √7 by 2 का whole square okay so this should be actually ये इस तरह से लिखा था ये 2 by √7 मुझे भी ऐसा है कि ये आपको e to the power minus 8 into s sin bt sorry cos ये वाला cos है ना cos bt okay and 1 by a is coming I think 1 by a is coming here 1 by a is coming here 1 by a is coming here is this right is this correct or not नहीं उसमें चेक करना पड़ेगा चेक करके मैं देखता हूँ चेक करके मैं देखता हूँ चेक करा दिए आपके बाद में चेक कर लेंगे अभी छोड़ दीजिए is this correct or not it is simple like this see ये करेक्ट है साइन में ही होता है ये सही था ये साइन में ही होता है साइन में ही होता है सी वी हैव समथिंग a डिवाइडेड बाय लेट मी चेक मैं बताता हूँ अभी फॉर्मूला बता रहा हूँ आपको b डिवाइडेड बाय s प्लस ए का होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इस फॉर्म में अगर है देन वी विल राइट हियर ओके देन वी विल राइट हियर सो इस तरह के फॉर्म में है तो देन वी कैन राइट e टू द पावर माइनस ए टी ओके इट विल बी साइन बी टी इस तरह के फॉर्म में होता है e टू द पावर माइनस ए टी साइन बी टी ये इस तरह से होता है e टू द पावर माइनस ए टी साइन बी टी ठीक है ये अब सही है आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू इस तरह से फॉर्म में होगा तभी आपको साइन बीटी में साइन बीटी के फॉर्म में लिखाता है और कॉस के टर्म में कब होगा कॉस के टर्म में कब होगा लेट मी चेक कॉस के टर्म में कैसे लिखते हैं और या s प्लस ए न्यूमरेटर में है तो s प्लस ए को कैसे हम डिकम्पोज करेंगे? ये सही है वो। यहाँ पे जानते हो वो 1/b इसलिए 2/√7 लिखा गया है क्योंकि ऊपर में न्यूमरेटर में b नहीं है, तो b को इसलिए जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड किया गया, डायरेक्टली इट इज रिटन। सो ये जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड किया गया यहाँ पे, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज रिटन एज 1/b से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए और b/b से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, दैट्स यू विल गेट द सेम इक्वेशन। सो इसलिए यहाँ पे लिखा गया है 1/2 इज टेकन आउटसाइड। फॉर द सेकंड इक्वेशन आई एम टेलिंग यू 1/2 जस्ट टेक आउटसाइड, ओके 1/2 जस्ट टेक आउटसाइड एंड b अगर आप यहाँ पे आप b लिखेंगे √7/2, ओके √7/2 तो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 2, दैट्स व्हाई 2/√7 इज टेकन विथ 1/2। सो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आपका यही आपका साइन bt के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, ओके एंड दैट शुड बी रिटन इन टर्म्स ऑफ e to the power minus at ऑल्सो। तो यहाँ पे e to the power minus at नहीं लिखा हुआ है, that should be written in terms of e to the power minus at, okay। Try to check this whether this is correct or not. I was just confused कि वो साइन और कॉस में वो आ रहा है कैसे आ रहा फॉर्मूला, जस्ट आई नीड टू रिमाइंड, ओके सो प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस। So this one is second term is correct. Second term is correct. I have checked in some book. So ये अभी इसमें दिख रहा है कि ये this is in the form of one, जैसे कि एक इसमें इक्वेशन लिया गया है, that equation is 1.65 divided by s plus 0.5 whole square plus 1.65. So that is written as e to the power minus 0.5 t sine 1.65 t. So e to the power minus at, यहाँ पे e to the power minus at भी आएगा, so that should be written as e to the power minus half t, okay। so इसके फॉर्म में है, इस तरह से लिखा हुआ है एंड इसका आपको s प्लस ए डिवाइडेड बाई एस प्लस ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस, थोड़ा मुझे पता नहीं डाउट लग रहा है इस पे, जानते हो इस पूरे फॉर्मूले पे ही मुझे डाउट लग रहा है कि ये फॉर्मूला को कैसे लिखा गया। लेट मी चेक, एक मिनट आप मुझे समय दीजिए, लेट मी चेक दिस, प्लीज गिव मी सम टाइम, please give me some time, 2 minutes time, okay। Suppose I'm talking about writing. You have two inputs. One is 7 and another one is, or you can say one is 2 or another one is. So which one will you select? 2 or 8? ठीक है, मिल गया, वो सही है। ये जानते हो यहाँ पे क्या है कि अभी मैं आपको करेक्ट करता हूँ थोड़ा, ओके। सो सी दिस शुड बी कॉस, ये यहाँ पे गलत है, दिस शुड बी कॉस, बाकी सब ठीक है। एक्चुअली क्या फॉर्मूला मैं लिख दे रहा हूँ आपको, प्लीज चेक दिस। आप लैप्लस जब लेते हो तो e टू द पावर माइनस ए टी, ओके, साइन बी टी का अगर लिखते हो तो यू शुड राइट हियर b डिवाइडेड बाई ओके s प्लस ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, and if you take Laplace of e to the power minus at, okay, cos bt, then you should write here s plus, okay, s plus a divided by s plus a whole square plus b square. So that is the formula which is there, okay, e to the power minus at cos bt, which is equal to s plus a divided by s plus a whole square plus b square, okay, this is the form। सो जस्ट ट्राई टू टेक दिस फॉर्म एंड इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में आप कीजिए। ये जो आप लिखे हो इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कीजिए। सो दिस इज एन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म s प्लस ए डिवाइडेड बाय s प्लस ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस okay b square. So you should write e to the power minus 80. This is in a standard form. So this root under this 2 by root 7 will not become okay. So you directly standard form में already है. So this you can write e to the power minus 80 cos bt directly. Okay. And here this is not in the standard form. So this should be written in terms of b divided by s plus a whole square plus omega square. B divided by s plus a whole square plus omega square. So you should write here, this should be in the form of b divided by s plus a whole square. So b यहाँ पे है नहीं, तो I would take just try to multiply and divide 2 by root 7 को root 7 by 2 से multiply करेंगे. So this form what you have is in the form of standard sin bt के form में, e to the power minus 80 sin bt के form में. So a is half here. So you should write this and ये वाला टर्म पूरा as it is आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा wrong है, इसको आप correct कर लीजिएगा. Formula is this one. Laplace of e to the power minus 80 sin bt is equal to b divided by s plus a whole square plus b square. And this Laplace is equal to e to the power minus 80 cos bt is equal to s plus a divided by s plus a whole square plus b square. Okay. Now we have the second equation minus 2 divided plus s plus 2. So again will be in the standard form. So we'll try to write minus 2 divided by again s plus half whole square, okay, plus root under 7 by 2 ka whole square. And we just take this is in the form of s plus a whole square plus b square. So I'll try to write b here. So we'll take this 2 by root 7 by 2 here, and 2 by root 7 just multiplies, so root 7 by 2. So this particular term will be in the form of sine, and this will be multiplied to the minus 2 into 2 by root 7 will be multiplied. So this will be this will be minus. So here minus sign was there na, so we should write here minus 4 by root 7. ये wrong है, minus 4 by root 7. Okay, and this should be sine root 7 by 2t because it is in the form of this form. Sorry, this form से सेम, हाँ this form में है, तो यहाँ पे e to minus half t लिखाएगा फिर से. ये wrong है, थोड़ा इसको correct कर लीजिएगा please. So you just remember this formula. You just remember this Laplace and Laplace inverse of this formula, e to the power minus 80 sin bt, and Laplace of e to the power minus 80 cos bt formula. So just remember this formula. Try to use this in the problem. Now we have zero state response. So zero state response says we should have see वहाँ पे total response में क्या आता है, zero input response plus zero state response में वो integration वाला भी term था. So यहाँ पे आपका zero state response में Laplace inverse of phi of s, okay, b u of s. So basically phi of s is given as u of t is nothing but 1, so u of s is equal to 1 by s. And try to solve for this. Okay, so यहाँ पे solve नहीं किया हुआ है, try to write this. And zero state response में integration भी था 0 to t, okay, dt or d tau, okay, d tau, and this was phi of s was phi of t minus tau, इस तरह से था ना equation में. सो ट्राई टू यूज दैट इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे ये थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट पूरा नहीं लिखा गया है, तो ट्राई टू यूज दैट इक्वेशन. वो यहाँ पे हमने सॉल्व किया था जीरो स्टेट रिस्पॉन्स एंड जीरो इनपुट रिस्पॉन्स को. लेट मी गिव यू द फॉर्मूला. ट्राई टू यूज दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, yes, this is the formula which is written here. See, zero input response and zero state response. So this is the formula for zero input response, and this is the formula for zero state response. See the total response, if I am writing, so total response is nothing but total response is equal to zero input response plus this time t naught to t, or sometimes t naught to t or 0 to t also भी हो जाता है, zero input response into d tau. Okay, so zero input response को इसको आप अगर delayed function नहीं ले रहे हो तो you can directly write zero state response is equal to phi of s b u of s. So इसको भी आप use कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड यहाँ पे आपको phi of t भी ले सकते हैं, phi of t into x of t, okay, x of t naught, and t naught is given as 0, so just substitute t naught as 0, so you can go through this. Okay, So try to take some problem zero input response and zero state response का. But see in Laplace में अगर हम लोग चेक करते हैं ना, Laplace में zero sorry this is zero state response. Laplace में zero state response को अगर चेक करते हैं तो मैं एक बार फॉर्मूला आपको फिर से लिख देता हूँ. Zero state response का Laplace में फॉर्मूला होता है, और if you take Laplace inverse में, so this can be written as phi of s, okay, bu of s. You can go through, you can check the book also. So this is the formula for zero state response in Laplace. Okay, so you can go through this and आपका वो जीरो स्टेट रिस्पॉन्स अगर निकालना है तो जीरो स्टेट रिस्पॉन्स के लिए आपका वही फॉर्मूला होता है जीरो इनपुट रिस्पॉन्स के लिए. सो जीरो इनपुट रिस्पॉन्स के लिए सिंपली आपका फॉर्मूला है कि आप यहाँ पे आपको जीरो इनपुट रिस्पॉन्स का फॉर्मूला वही हो जाएगा कि लाप्लास इनवर्स ऑफ फाई ऑफ एस इंटू एक्स ऑफ जीरो. Okay, you can find. I'll give you one problem, try to solve this problem. Okay, so let me give you some problem based on that, and I'll give you five minutes time, try to solve this. Let me give you one problem. Okay, so problem is basically for the given system below. If you want, you can write here. Okay, for the given system below, obtain zero input response. So this is for the, write down, for the given system below, for the given system below, okay, obtain first one zero input response, okay, second one zero state response, and third one is total response. Let me give you the total response of the system. Okay, total response. So in this we have the problem which is given x dot is equal to this is a very simple problem 0 1 minus 2 minus 1, which we have seen in the earlier problem. Okay, and x of t plus 0 1, okay, and u of t, and where it is given as, so that was the same problem. I hope यही problem अभी discuss किया हमने क्या? यही problem था ना अभी? यही problem था. Oh, sorry. Okay, no problem. I'll take another problem and try to check for that one. I'm taking the same problem. Let me check another problem. So the problem which is given here, okay, see this problem already given here. Okay, so let me write the answer. Okay, zero state response का एक बार मैं answer लिख देता हूँ आपको. I have the answer. Let me write zero state response ka answer. So zero state response ka answer is nothing but x of t, which is equal to if you solve this you will get 0.33. Okay, 0.33 1 minus e to the power, sorry, 1 minus 1.04, 1 minus 1.04 e to the power minus 0.5 t sin, लिख रहा हूँ मैं, ओके, sin 1.65 t प्लस tan इनवर्स ऑफ 3.42. ये कैलकुलेटर है, पूरा यूज किया गया, इसलिए नो नीड टू वरी, कैलकुलेटर यूज करके आप कीजिएगा, बन जाएगा. एंड दिस वन इज रिटन एज 0.6 e to the power minus 0.5 t, okay, sin 1.65 t. So this is the zero state response which is given here. If you want to find total response, because see we have calculated in a Laplace, so we directly use zero input response plus zero state response. Directly we can write and we can solve this zero input response and zero state response. See in the total response we'll get we have two in the matrix, it is we have 2 cross 1 matrix, so we'll get for x1 and x2 both zero state response and zero input response. Okay, I'll give you one problem. Try to solve this problem. Okay, try to solve this problem. So the problem which is given here. Okay, the problem. Try to solve this problem. Obtain the state transition matrix. Problem is obtain the state transition matrix. I'll give this. I'll give you the assignment also. Okay. obtain the state transition matrix, okay, in the form, see here the question में given है in the form e to the power at. स्टेट ट्रांजिशन मैट्रिक्स को e to the power at के फॉर्म में लिखना है, not in the direct form which we are solving for previous problem. Okay, so in form of e to the power at, and determine the response, and determine the response for the system x dot is equal to ax, and here given as where a is equal to, the matrix is 0 1 minus 2 0, and x1 of 0 is equal to 1 and x2 of 0 is equal to 1. So try to solve this problem. I'll give you few minutes time. Try to solve this. Okay, in form of e to the power at. I'll give you some hint also. So you proceed with the e to the power at. E to the power at formula is what? What is the e to the power at formula? The identity plus at plus a square t square by 2 factorial plus dot 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 dot, what is that, up to a to the power n minus 1 t to the power n minus 1. That is the formula n minus 1 factorial. और n तक था, फॉर्मूला कहाँ तक जा रहा था, n तक या n minus 1 तक? हाँ, अभी हमको आपको लास्ट टू लास्ट e to the power at में n minus 1 तक जा रहा था या n तक था? It was up to n है, up to n, e to the power at में up to n है. So in this try to solve. The a is having dimension of 2 cross 2. Okay, 2 cross 2 का dimension है. So what will happen, we'll try to take, okay, we'll try to take a matrix, okay, a matrix and identity matrix of 2 cross 2 and a का matrix, okay, a square matrix. Then we'll try to find, see ये n जो है ना यहाँ पे, मे बी अगर मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन किया हूँ कि n is the dimension, so that is wrong. You try to elaborate for dot 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 up to the n terms. Up to the n terms means it will go to the infinity, it will go to the some finite value of n. ओके, ये अप टू n टर्म्स है, तो ये डॉट डॉट आगे प्रोसीड होता जाएगा. और आप आगे देखेंगे कि ए को जैसे आप वो करेंगे ना, पावर में करेंगे, तो उसकी सिग्निफिकेंस भी कम होती जाएगी. आपको ये डॉट डॉट के टर्म में भी लिखना है, में ही लिखना है. ये n इज नॉट द वेक्टर, ओके, n इज नॉट द डायमेंशन ऑफ दिस ए मैट्रिक्स. ओके, so n is not the number of a state vector. Let me tell you, n is not the number of state vector. ओके, ये n आपका सिंपली एक्सपेंशन है, ये एक्सपोनेंशियल का एक्सपेंशन है, और एक्सपेंशन में n लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, n तक टर्म्स तक जाते हैं. तो ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस. अगर मैं वहां पे बोला होगा तो दैट वाज सम मिस्टेक. ओके, सो ट्राई टू टेक दिस a to the power n अप टू द n टर्म्स. ओके, और ये आप n टर्म्स तक तो निकालोगे नहीं, तो मे बी 2-3 पावर्स तक निकाल ली, जहां तक आप कंफर्टेबल हो, है ना. 2-3 पावर्स तक निकाल दो, उसके बाद उसको आप डॉट डॉट में लिखो. So for this you just try to find identity matrix, okay, identity matrix, and then try to find a matrix, okay, then a square, and take the a cube also, because 2 cross 2 का ही है, तो it will be easy. a cube निकाल लो, उसके बाद बाकी को डॉट 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 में छोड़ दो. So मैं अभी आपको ये प्रॉब्लम करता हूँ, है ना, सॉल्व करता हूँ प्रॉब्लम को. Let me open some slide so that I can. अब प्रैक्टिस आप ट्राई कीजिए, अपनी कॉपी में लिखिए, इसको बनाइए. So in this you can see we have taken the A matrix as A is equal to, okay, sorry, A is equal to, what is that, 0 to 0 minus 2, okay, 0 1 minus 2, and we have what is the value, 0, okay. So this we have taken, and we have x1 of 0 is equal to 1 and x2 of 0 is equal to 1. So let me take e to the power at expansion. So e to the power at expansion is identity matrix. Okay, at, okay, sorry, e to the power e to at, okay, and then we have a square t square by 2 factorial. Then we have a cube t cube by 3 factorial, and dot dot dot, that will continue up to the n number of terms, okay. So that will be continued. So now first of all I'll try to this is take as equation number 1, and try to take identity matrix of 2 cross 2, that is 1 0 0 1. And what is the a matrix? A matrix will be given as 0 1 minus 2 and 0, okay. Then what is the a square matrix? So a square matrix is nothing but 0 1 minus 2 0, and try to multiply with the 0 1 minus 2 and 0. So what will happen? You will get 0 1 into 0 2, so this will be minus 2, so this term will be minus 2, and 0 1 and 1 0, so this will give you 0 value, again minus 2, and this value 0, so again this will be 0, and this minus 2 will be minus 2 only, okay. So this is the matrix for this one, and try to find for a cube. So a cube can be written as a into a square matrix. So we have 0 1 minus 2 and 0, and try to write for this minus 2 0 0 and minus 2. So what will happen? We'll get 0 into minus 2 is 0, and 1 into 0 is 0. So we'll get 0, again we'll get minus 2, so 0 into 0, and 1 into minus 2, so minus 2, again minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, and 0 into 0 is 0, again this one is also minus 2 into 0 is 0, so this will be 0, okay. So now what will happen? This is AQ matrix, okay. So now try to solve this phi of t and substitute this in the matrix form. So this phi of t can be rewritten as identity matrix. So what is the identity matrix? Try to substitute all these in equation number 1. So 1 0 0 1, okay. Then we have this the second one. So AT. So AT is what? A is what? This will be written as a is what? 0. So 0 into t. 0 into t is nothing but 0. 1 into t is nothing but t. This is become minus 2t, and this is become 0. Again what we have? We have plus sign and this term. So minus 2 into t square by 2 factorial. So minus 2 into t square. So this we can write minus 2 t square by 2 factorial. Okay, 2 factorial nothing but 2. I'll write directly. Okay, 2. Okay, then we have 0, then we have 0, and this will again minus 2 t square by 2 factorial with nothing but 2. Okay, and the third term which we can write here, so this is nothing but 0 into t cube by 3 factorial, so this will be 0, this will be minus 2 t cube by 3 factorial, 3 factorial nothing but 6. I'll write here directly. So minus 4, sorry, this is 4 t cube divided by what is that? T4 t cube divided by 6, and this is nothing but 0. So I have substituted here. Now plus dot dot dot, you can write here. So if you take see, all these are 2 cross 2 matrix, so try to add all these. So we will try to add all these element by element. So element by element, if we add, so this can be written 1 plus 0, okay. So 1 plus 0 minus 2t square by 2 factorial, okay. Again we can write plus dot dot dot, so we can write here. So this can be written as 1 plus 0, okay, minus t square, okay, then plus 0 dot 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 we can write here, okay. So now we can go through the another one. So another one element is nothing but 0, okay, plus t plus 0, okay, minus t cube by 3, okay. Okay, next you can proceed with this, okay. Okay, dot 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 plus dot dot dot. Now we have the another term which is equal to 0 minus 2t, okay, plus 0, okay, plus what is that, 4. So this will become 2 by 3 now, 2 by 3, 2 by 3 t cube, okay, plus dot 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 you can find, okay. Now we have another term 1 plus 0 minus t square, okay, plus 0 dot dot dot. So you can find the trends also, okay, no need to find all these, but these are the element, these are the element for phi of t, these are the element of phi of t, okay, these are the different elements of phi of t, and phi of t will be order of same matrix, that is of 2 cross 2 matrix, okay, whatever the dimension of a, that will be the dimension of phi of t. So this is our phi of t, okay. If you want to find okay, so phi of t or phi of s, so you can go through phi of s also, but but I'll try to write in terms of maybe cosine or sine function. So see, this can be rewritten as phi of t can be rewritten as, so standard function. See, आपका कुछ भी एक सीरीज आता है ना, तो सीरीज को आप तो कन्वर्ट कर ही सकते हो, ओके, सीरीज को कन्वर्ट कर ही सकते हो, तो सीरीज को हमने क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है. लेट मी गो वेरी क्विक. Okay, so we can see here in the previous case, so this is 1 minus t square, okay, 1 minus, where is the cursor, see, 1 minus t square plus something something dot dot dot, that will come. So how we can write this, so we can go through this and we can write the equation as 1 minus, अब ये प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, सीरीज का आपको थोड़ा लाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है. 1 minus root 2 t, okay, t square by 2 we can write here. So see how we can write root 2 square, sorry, root 2 square t square by 2. So we have already 2 by 2 था, तो यहाँ पे इसको लिख सकते हैं, t square था फॉर्म में ना, previously 1 minus t square था, t square को लिख सकते हैं root 2 t square by 2. Now we can write also plus dot dot dot, this term will be come. Now another term which we have already t plus something, so we can write root 2 by root 2 t, okay, and minus root 2 cube divided by, okay, root 2 into t cube, okay, divided by some we have 2 into 3, okay, 2 into 3 or 2 factor 3 factorial, okay, plus dot dot dot. Now similarly we have another term, we'll take minus common, so in that we'll take minus common, so we can write 2t as root 2 into root 2t. So we'll write root 2 into root 2t. ये थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आएगा अभी, लेकिन आप थोड़ा देखिए इसको, and root 2, okay, again root 2 cube, okay, t cube divided by 2 into 3, okay, plus dot dot dot. Now the fourth term which we can write here, 1 minus root 2 whole square, okay, and t square by 2 plus dot dot dot. So this term can be, we can write here in a series form, and all these are same, बस इसको rearrange किया गया standard form में करने के लिए. So just rearrange in a standard form. A standard form, you should know how the standard form, how the standard equation of a sine t or cosine t can be written. So this is in terms of sine t. Sine t is nothing but which we can write here. So we can have this equation as this can be written as cos at. So cos at is nothing but cos root 2t. So cos root 2t, okay, will be as it is. So this is in the form of now you can see cos at can be written as cos at is equal to 1 minus a square t square by 2 factorial, okay, plus dot dot dot. So this is cos at, okay. So you can have this cos at form. Now we'll have sine function, so we can go through the sine function also. So sine function, you can see sine function can be written as at minus a cube t cube divided by, okay, 3 factorial, okay, plus dot 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 alternate sign will be there, okay. So this can be rewritten, okay. Then we have again sine form, so we'll go through this. So this is the standard form, so you can see here this is in the form of a standard cosine term, so we can write cos 80. Now here you can see in every term we have 1 by root 2 as a common, so we can take 1 by root 2 as a outside, and this can be written as 80, okay, minus a cube t cube form divided by 3 factorial. So this can be written as sine 80. So sine 80 is nothing but sine root 2t, okay. Now this can be written as minus as a common, minus as a common, and you can see here root 2 is common to all. Root 2 is common to all. Again, it is in the form of 80 minus a cube t cube by 3 factorial. So this can be again written in the form of sine root 2t, sine root 2t. Okay. So what is the equation? 1 minus a square t square by 2. Okay, 2 factorial, you can say 2 factorial we can write. So this is in the form of cos cosine form. So this is in the form of cos 80, cos root 2t. Okay. So this is our phi of t. Okay, this is our phi of t. So okay, so this is our phi of t in solved in terms of what was the asked in the problem. So this in the problem it is asked that determine in terms of, okay, so obtain the state transition matrix in the form of e to the power 80. So in the form of e to the power 80, I went through into the e to the power 80 form, and I have solved using e to the power 80 form. Again, if you are asked to solve using e to the power 80 form, you should do in this way only. Okay, otherwise you can go through phi of t in a Laplace form. That is easy to solve. Okay, Laplace inverse is equal to si minus a inverse wala formula. And if you solve for this Laplace inverse wala formula, so you will find both are same. Okay, that will give you the same equation that will give you, and you just try to check whether you are getting or not. Okay, just try to check phi of t is equal to same thing. Phi of t is equal to Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. Okay, Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. You can go through this and you try to solve this. Again, in the problem, it is also asked to solve, find the solution of x of t. So determine the response of the system. So response of the system, you just try to find x of t. So in the problem, it is asked that to find x of t. So x of t is nothing but we have phi of t into x of 0. Okay, so phi of t is into x of 0 because we have applied u of t. So there is no initial time. So sorry, okay, there is no what was that? Initial condition t is equal to t naught, it is not start. So there is a homogeneous equation, and in that you can see also we have given the equation in the system. It is given was x dot is equal to ax. X dot is equal to ax. That is nothing but homogeneous equation. So what was the solution of homogeneous equation? What is the solution of homogeneous equation? So x of t is equal to phi of t into x of 0. That is the, in the problem it is already given, it is in the form of x dot is equal to x. That means it is a homogeneous equation. We have a homogeneous equation. Okay, homogeneous equation. So you can go through x of t is equal to phi of t into x of 0. So you just try to solve phi of t already you have, and x of 0 already you have. Just try to find x1 and x2. Just try to find x1 and x2 in a matrix form and just try to get the solution. Okay. So the second unit I have completed. Try to practice the problem. Okay, so from the next class onward and till the midterm, I'll try to maybe till the midterm or maybe in the coming week. Okay, coming week I'll try to discuss the problem, which is try to discuss the problem, or I'll try to discuss the topics which you have the problem of understanding. Okay, so maybe one of the student who told me that he is having the problem in rotational system. Okay, rotational mechanical system. Okay, and analogy to rotational electrical system to rotational mechanical system to electrical system analogy. So I'll try to discuss that part, and maybe whichever topic is maybe you feel not comfortable, so please let me know. I'll try to discuss that topic. So within 1 minute, okay, please tell me which all topic you want to discuss. You want to take a revision of that. Okay, please let me know.